Hello everyone, welcome to the Doubtlet. So in this video, we will learn how to find the determinant of a 2 cross 2 matrix. It may be 3 cross 3 or it may be 4 cross 4. So basically, we have to remember the concept that the determinant of a matrix can be obtained if it is a square matrix. Means number of rows should be equal to number of columns. But the number can be varies from 2 to 10 or more than that. So in general, we will use the 2 cross 2 matrix, 3 cross 3 and 4 cross 4. So first of all, we will discuss how to find the determinant of a 2 cross 2 matrix. So I have already written down a general matrix that is of the order 2. Means here are the 2 rows. This is first row, this is second row, and this is first column and this is second column. And there are 4 elements named A, B, C and D. So we can open a determinant with respect to any row or any column. And we have to remember that in which row, according to which row we are expanding the determinant. So let's suppose we are expanding it with respect to this first row. So we will write this first element, means this is A, and what we have to do, we have to just cancel out the row and column in which this element lies. Then this element will be written. Then we will consider the second element of the row and we will cancel out this row and this column. Then what will remain? This C. So we will write here B multiplied by C. And why we have included negative sign? Because this is the first row and first column and this is first row and second column. So if we will add this, then here we will write it as minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1, and here we will write it as minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2. So it will become minus 1. That's why we have written here negative sign. So with this concept, we will solve this determinant. So basically for 2 cross 2, you just cross multiply these elements. So we have to multiply 1 multiply by 6 minus, this will become 2 multiply by minus 3. So if you will solve this, this will become 6 minus of minus 6. So it will become 12. So basically the value of this determinant is 12. Now we will take the example of 3 cross 3 matrix. So suppose first we have to check whether there is any 0 element in the matrix. But here all elements are non-zero, so we can expand it through any row or any column. But generally we used to expand the determinants with respect to first row. So this is the first row. So we will take this first element, that is 5. So what we will write? We will write this minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1, means first row and first column, and we will write 5 here. And if we will exclude this row and this column, then we have to find the determinant of this remaining 2 cross 2 matrix. So we can write here this matrix as minus 3, 6, 7, minus 9. Then we will move on to next element. So next element is, so we can write here it as plus minus 1 to the power, this is first row first element, this is first row second element, this is first row third element. So we can write it here it as 1 plus 2, and if we will cancel out this column and this row, then what will be remaining? This is 4, 6, 1, minus 9. Then again plus, then we will write here minus 1 to the power 1 plus 3, and we will write here the third element, that is minus 8, and we will write here it as, so if you will cancel out this third column in first row, then what will be remaining? So this will 4 minus 3, this is 1 and this is 7, and we have to find the determinant. So to find the determinant of this 2 cross 2 matrix, we have to multiply in this order and we have to solve this. Then if we will just check this minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1, it will become 1. So it will become 5 multiply by, so if we will multiply minus 3 into minus 9, this will become 27. this will become minus 42. So it will become minus because minus 1 cube is minus 1, and we have forgotten to write 7 here. So 7, so if we will multiply this, this will become minus 36 and this will become minus 6, and here what we will get minus 8, because minus 1 to the power 4 is 1 and minus 8 multiplied by 1 is minus 8. And if you will cross multiply these elements, so it will become 28 minus of minus 3. So if we will solve this, what we will get? This will become minus 15, this will become minus 42, and this will become minus 8 times 31. So if we will solve this, this will become minus 75, this will become 294, and this will become 248. So if we will solve these, we will get answer as minus 29. So this is the value of this 3 cross 3 determinant. If we will solve this determinant by any other column or any other row, then also we will get the same answer. But we have to take care the value, the positional value of the element. So suppose we will expand it through this row, means third row. So this element, this element, and this element we would consider. So this is third row, first column, third row, second column, third row, third column. And so we have to just take minus 1 to the power 3 plus 1, 3 plus 2, 3 plus 3 accordingly. So I hope you got the concept of to find the determinant of a 3 cross 3 matrix. Then we will take the example of 4 cross 4 matrix. So 4 cross 4 matrix, the concept is also same. The matrix should be square, means 4 row and 4 columns should be there, and this is true. So, and we will check whether there is any zero element. So there are 2 zero elements, one is this and another is this. So we can take any of the row or column in which these zero element lies. So we will take the first row as in general. So if we will take the first row, means this is the first row, first element, first row, second column, first row, third column, and first row, fourth column. So we can write this as minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 and 1. And if we will just cancel out this row and this column, then this 3 cross 3 matrix will be remaining. So it will become 5 0 3, this will become 2 3 5, and this will become minus 1 2 3. Then for second element we will write minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2, and the second element is 0, and since 0 is multiplied by any, so we will just cancel out this second column and first row. What we will get? We will get 2 minus 1 2, this will become 0 3 minus 2, this will become 3 5 3. Then third we will check, this will become minus 1 to the power 1 plus 3, this will become 4, and if we will cancel out third column and first row, what we will get? We will get 2 minus 1 2, then 5 2 2 1, and this will get 3 5 3. Okay, and we will get here minus 1 to the power 1 plus 4, this is minus 6, and we will just leave this row and this column. So the whole matrix will be 2 minus 1 2, this will become 5, this will become 2, this will become 1, this will become 0 3 and minus 2. And now we have to expand the determinant of all the 4 3 cross 3 matrix, and then only we will be able to solve this 4 cross 4 matrix determinant. So this will become 1, and if we will solve this, so we have to solve this again with respect to first row. So we will write 5, this will become 9 5 minus of minus 10, so it will become 9 plus 10, this will become 0. So we will need not to consider any other elements because it is multiplied by 0. So then plus 3, so it will be multiplied by minus 4 minus 3. Then here this element is 0, so we do not need to find the determinant of this 3 cross 3 matrix. So we can write it as the whole quantity as 0. Now coming on the third part, so this will become minus 4, and if we will find out determinant, so it will become 2 times, because we need to expand it through this row. So it will become 3 cross 2 multiply by 5, so it will become 6 minus 5. Then we will multiply 5, so it will become minus 3 minus 10. So plus 3, it will become minus 1 minus 4. And now the last, so this will become minus 1 and minus 6, it will become 6. Okay. Here this will become plus, because minus 1 to the power 4 is 1 and 4 multiplied by 1 is 4. So if we will just solve this with respect to this row, means first row, so what we will get, 2 multiplied by minus 4 minus 3 minus 5 multiplied by, so this and this will cancel, so 2 minus 6, 2 minus 6, and this it will become plus 0. So if we will solve this further, what we will get, this is 1, so 19 into 5, 95 minus 0, so minus 7, this will become minus 21, plus this 4 times, this will become 2, this will become minus 13, so this will become 65, this will become minus 5, this will become minus 15, so plus 6, this will become minus 14, this will become minus 4 into minus 5, this is minus 20. So if we will solve this further, what we will get? We will get this as 74 plus, this will become 50, 52, 52 into 4, 208. And the next one, if we will solve this, this will become 36. So if we will add this, 8, 6, 14 plus 4, 18, carry 1, so 3, 1, 4, 4, 7, 11, carry 1, so it will become 3, 1, 8. So basically the determinant of the above 4 cross 4 matrix is 3, 1, 8. Here we have solved this with respect to first row. We can solve it, you can solve it with respect to any row or any column, but you have to remember the position of the element. So I hope you got the concept how to find the determinant of a matrix. So if you just have any query, then do reach out in comment box and write your query, and I will answer your query. And if you want to just check out my calculators, then please visit the link in the description, and that is the best calculator I have made, which will just display the solution step by step, and we will check all the matrices that we have solved on our website. So let's move on there. So we are on the landing page of the calculator. Here what you have to do, you have to just type the order of the matrix, and accordingly the input boxes will be displayed. So first we have solved the 2 cross 2 matrix, and we will just type in the elements, that is first was 1, second was 2, and third element was minus 3, and fourth element was 6. So here is the matrix will be displayed, and we have to find the determinant. So the answer is 12, and we have also found 12, and here is the step by step explanation. Now we need to check 3 cross 3 matrix, then we have to change the order of the matrix, and we will just write out the elements accordingly we have solved. So this is 5, this will be minus 7, this is 7, sorry, this is 8, minus 8, this will be 4, this will be minus 3, this will be 6, this will be 1, 7 minus 9. So if we will check out the answer for this is minus 29, and we have also solved for the value minus 29. Now we will check for the value of order 4 by 4 matrix. So we will type out the elements first. So it will be 1 0, this will be minus 4, this is 4, sorry, this is minus 6, this will be 2 5 0 3. So 2, this is 5, this is 0, this is 3, and next minus 1 2 3 5, this is minus 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 5. Next is 2 1 minus 2 3, 2 1 minus 2 3. So we have solved the determinant for this matrix earlier, and now we will check the value. So it should be 318, and we have got this answer. So it means that this calculator is giving the accurate results and within fraction of seconds, and you can tap out any type of input, like maybe fraction. So if I want to just type out fraction, then we have to divide this, so it will become 2 by 3, and the answer will be changed accordingly. So it is 368.71106 divided by 3. So you can just type out the fraction, integer, decimal, square root, cube root, or any type of mathematical input. So if you like this calculator, please share it with your friends, and just recommend suggestions for the improvement of our website and our calculators. Thank you very much. So I hope you got the concept what I am trying to deliver. So if you like this video, please hit the like button below, comment on this video, give the feedback so that we can improve upon the quality and the content of the solutions and the questions that we are providing. And please share it with your friends so that they can also learn the basic concepts and give proper feedback. And in the end, if you want to ask any other doubt, then visit my website. That is, link is given below in the description, and you can also ask your doubt by posting them in the comment box below. Thank you very much.